Amazon Accelerate is an insane event. There's over 4,000 sellers right here in this event. And I'm going around asking people what's one thing they wish they knew when they first started running Amazon ads. So stick around, guys, because I'm going to be asking some very successful sellers, some big agency owners, and some people that have made tens of millions of dollars on Amazon and getting the answers from them. All right, let's go. What's your name and what do you do?
My name is Eric. I'm an Amazon seller first, doing multi seven figures every single year. And I'm also a coach in the space.
What's one thing you wish you knew when you first started running Amazon ads?
I would say don't try to do too much at once. Just get really, really good at a few things. And if I were anybody starting off, just dive into sponsored products and just get really, really good at it.
What's your name and what do you do?
My name's Sam, and first and foremost, I work with you, but I run, in my opinion, the world's greatest Amazon DSP operation at the one and only Trivium.
I love it, man. What's one thing you wish you knew when you first started running Amazon ads?
It's all momentum based. Don't go out of stock. You got to catch momentum, and it might take some time to get there, but once you hit that momentum, it's much easier from there. Amazon's a flywheel.
What's your name and what do you do?
My name is Robert Clapp, and I am an Amazon seller.
What's one thing you wish you knew when you first started running Amazon ads?
That it would be difficult, but it's doable.
Pays off.
Pays off, no doubt about it.
I love it.
No doubt about it.
What's your name and what do you do?
My name is Adam Runquist, and I've got 4 brands that sell on Amazon.
Love it. What's one thing you wish you knew when you first started running Amazon ads?
You know, it's interesting. I used to look at Amazon ads as a cost and ROI, how much money are we making on it? It's now much more become kind of a health center for the business. What's converting? What's driving organic growth? What should we focus on organically? What should we focus on with paid ads? So it's kind of the canary in the coal mine for our business now. It's like the metric central for what's actually happening with the SKUs in our business.
I love it.
Yeah.
What's your name and what do you do?
I'm Mina. I'm head of Amazon at Trivium and basically in charge of all 190 brands that we run over there.
What's one thing you wish you knew when you first started running Amazon ads?
The first thing that comes to my mind, I would say that you need to be open-minded about the complexity of how everything matters. It's not only advertising, but understanding the whole picture of the business itself and everything that influences from retainers, subscribe and save for the products that are consumables, to the listing and the impact that it has on the shopper, of course, combined with advertising as a tool.
What's your name and what do you do?
My name is Michael Jordan and I run Bad Marketing's Amazon department.
What's one thing you wish you knew when you first started running Amazon ads?
Whenever I first started running, I thought that you had to use really complex, advanced strategies, but Amazon actually wants you to make money. So using a lot of the Amazon features like auto campaigns and different features and placements within the auto campaigns can make you a lot of money before getting advanced.
What's your name and what do you do?
My name is Jordan, and I'm the district manager of the Amazon department at Bad Marketing.
What's one thing you wish you knew when you first started running Amazon ads?
Not to stuff too many keywords into one campaign.
I love that answer. All right, guys, quick recap so far. So it seems like one thing people wish they knew is not to overcomplicate their Amazon ads accounts. So not running too many campaigns at once, not trying to go too aggressive. They understand the importance of running Amazon ads. So I don't think that you should think like, okay, I'm going to start with Amazon ads, get to a certain point and then turn them off. Also, do not complicate your campaign structure. One campaign, one ad group, no more than 5 keywords, in my opinion. You want to keep it small. If you overcomplicate it, stuff it with too many keywords, it's not going to work. Also, there's been a focus on a holistic approach. So it's not just about running Amazon ads, but it's also about listing optimization. How do you get a better click-through rate? How do you get a better conversion rate? Your Amazon ads, all they're going to do is show your product up in the search results. They're going to show them in product detail pages. They're just going to get you impressions and people will see your product. Now, the next step is how do people click on you? And then the next step is how do people convert? So make sure to pay attention to all of that stuff because you can have amazing Amazon ads, but if you have a bad click-through rate, bad conversion rate because your listing's not optimized, it is just not going to work. All right, let's go find some more people. What's your name and what do you do?
I'm Herbie. I'm an Amazon seller.
What's one thing you wish you knew when you first started running Amazon ads?
How to target my audience. Selling on Amazon and running ads for your brand, I wish I knew how to target the right people to buy my product.
What's your name and what do you do?
What's up, everybody? My name is Kevin King, and I do a little bit of everything in the Amazon world. I sell, I teach, I educate, I inform, I host events, a lot of different things.
The best events. What's one thing you wish you knew when you first started running Amazon ads?
I wish I knew when I first started running on ads is actually when I first started on this would have been like 2016 or something, but actually how to properly analyze the results. You know, now there's some way better tools. But when I first started, it was much more difficult to actually, there's no third-party tools, there's no platforms, there's no really agencies that were doing all this stuff. So you had to kind of download spreadsheets and learn how to do pivot tables. And I was like, what the hell is a pivot table? And figure out all this stuff. I wish I would have known better then how to properly look at all the attribution and everything.
What's your name and what do you do?
My name's Steven. I'm a PPC manager and I work with Ad Labs.
What's one thing you wish you knew when you first started running ads on Amazon?
Can I say two things?
Yes.
All right, so first thing is that I wish I would have done single product campaign structure from the very beginning. That would have saved me a lot of time and headache. And then the second thing is I wish I would have known that bidding is the most important thing for driving performance and controlling ranking and all those things.
I love it. What's your name and what do you do?
My name's Virginia and I sell on Amazon.
What's one thing you wish you knew when you first started running ads on Amazon?
Make sure each campaign has a certain amount of keywords and you want to make sure that keywords that have a large share of voice in one campaign and then small amount of share of voice in the small campaign.
What's your name and what do you do?
My name is Vincenzo Toscano, founder and CEO of Ecamsi, where we do full brand management for Amazon and Walmart brands. Yeah?
What's one thing you wish you knew when you first started running ads on Amazon?
I think a huge mistake for people when they start doing PPC, they don't really budget how much it's gonna cost on average their CPC. And based on that, usually most sellers end up not having enough cash flow to really fuel their growth. So I think that's one of the number one thing I recommend sellers to do.
Better budgeting.
Yeah.